When it comes to all-weather sports pitches and multi-use games areas, no one in the UK does it like Sports and Safety Surfaces. With a nationwide service network, our specialties include 3G grass pitches, artificial all-weather pitches, athletics field surfacing and tennis courts. We also offer a number of services for these facilities, including cleaning and painting, sports line marking and surface maintenance. If you've been looking for a one-stop shop solution for transforming that muddy field into an all-weather pitch, give Sports and Safety Surfaces a try. What else can our experts do for you? Sports and Safety Surfaces caters to all clients working with all levels of budgets, from projects involving small kickabout ball courts and full-size synthetic turf football pitches to all manner of polymeric surfaces, macadam surfaces and needle punch surfaces. Need a price on building a facility, carrying out the maintenance and installing extra equipment for all the different types of surfacing we offer? A friendly Sports and Safety Surfaces representative will work with you, no matter what your exact requirements happen to be. When the time has come to resurface and upgrade your aged all-weather pitch to a state-of-the-art 3G surfacing type, the answer is clear. You can trust Sports and Safety Surfaces. Even if it's just ongoing maintenance you need in that way of cleaning, repairs or repainting of Muga courts, we're here for you. Sports and Safety Surfaces. All you need to know is in the name. Call us or visit the website today to learn more about our comprehensive services.